Discover the future of flat floors with BETONELLI Ride-On Power Trowels, the best value for money on the global market. Built from Italian design, these machines offer unmatched quality, reliability, and long-lasting performance. Imagine a well-balanced, heavy-duty workhorse that guarantees years of service and a fantastic return on your investment. With BETONELLI, this is not just a dream but a reality. Our trowels come equipped with precision-machined bronze gears tailored to hardened ground worm gears, a tapered main shaft for a perfect locking fit to the spider plate, dual safety stop systems for maximum protection, and an impact-resistant aluminum gearbox ensuring durability. Experience the ease and comfort with a contoured handle, chromed guard ring, and easy-to-clean design. Plus, a 4-year gearbox guarantee backs it all. BETONELLI Ride-On Power Trowels. Simplicity in design, excellence in performance. Step into the future of construction innovation and make your flat floors flawless. Additional features include a trolley cart supplied with select models, 3-screw trowel arms for continual free movement and minimal wear, and various blade and pan options for different models.